Surfsight's AI-12 dashcam is designed for a simple and fast installation. Please review all safety warnings and guidelines before installing. To start, open the box. You should find the AI-12 dashcam with a mounting bracket attached, the hardware installation kit, a screwdriver, and the Surfsight dashcam user guide. The AI-12 dashcam supports both a SIM card and an SD card. The cards are pre-installed. Additionally, it has a tamper-proof cover that you can open with the screwdriver we included. Before getting started, locate the fuse box in the vehicle based on its model, and make sure you have a circuit tester handy. Open the hardware installation kit. The kit includes a cable, a fuse kit, and a fuse tap. We'll start by hardwiring the dashcam to a fuse that has a constant power source. To do this, remove the plastic panel from the fuse box. Use a circuit tester to test which fuse uses a constant power source. Use the Add a Fuse kit. The Add a Fuse kit provides a fuse slot for the existing circuit and another fuse slot for the new circuit for the dashcam device. Insert the new fuse tab provided in the kit into slot 1. Now insert the fuse from the vehicle fuse box into slot 2. Use a standard needle nose pliers to crimp the exposed wires with the terminal crimp connector. Connect the Add a Fuse kit to the vehicle fuse slot. Connect the ground wire by slipping it under a metal bolt or screw in your vehicle. Loosen the bolt enough to slip it in and tighten it back up afterwards. Next, plug the power cable into the dashcam and turn on the dashcam to test the power. For the MV plus AI technology to work effectively, the AI-12 dashcam needs to be mounted properly to the windshield. Before mounting the dashcam to the windshield, verify that the vehicle is parked on a level surface. The windshield is cleaned with an alcohol wipe and completely dried. Position the dashcam by ensuring that you have a clear view of the driver's upper body. You have a clear view of the road. The dashcam does not obstruct the driver's field of vision. The distance to the dashcam is further from your arm. Next, press the dashcam's touchscreen. Enter the default PIN number to unlock the dashcam. Press the Live View icon. Use the arrow keys to toggle between the road view and the in-cabin view. Use the dashcam's views to position the dashcam. Once you've selected where it should be placed, remove the adhesive tape from the mounting bracket and mount the dashcam onto the windshield. Now, you'll need to set the dashcam viewing angles. Use the special screwdriver to loosen the 3 security screws on the round side of the dashcam. Do not remove the screws fully. Adjust the viewing angle of the road-facing lens by rotating the body of the dashcam. Then adjust the viewing angle of the driver-facing lens by rotating the ring. Tighten the 3 side screws when finished. To further secure the camera, you can install the tamper-proof case that arrives with the box. Use the special screwdriver to loosen the screws, place the case over the camera cylinder, and tighten the screws. Note that the AI-12 dashcam can be positioned to view a driver on the left or right side of the cabin to fit both countries that drive on the right side and on the left side. The dashcam contains internal sensors. Before you start using the dashcam, you need to calibrate it. First, make sure the vehicle ignition is off. Check that the dashcam is on. Press the touchscreen and enter the default PIN code to unlock it. Press Settings. Press Calibration. The calibration process takes about a second, and once completed, the status changes from Not Done to Done. The default PIN code is publicly available. To secure access to the dashcam, you should change the PIN code for your dashcam. Press the touchscreen and enter the default PIN code to unlock it. Press Settings. Scroll down to Change PIN. Insert 4 digits for a new PIN code. Note, you can set a code for the fleet manager and another code for the driver. Now that the camera is properly installed, run the power cable along the headliner of the vehicle from the A-pillar to the power source. Once you've set up the camera, log into your My Geotab account. Make sure you have the Surfsight add-in installed. From the Surfsight add-in, go to the Vehicles area. From the top of the Vehicles page, click Add Camera. Enter the dashcam IMEI number. From the Vehicles drop-down list, select the vehicle to be associated with the device. Click OK from the top of the page to save the camera details. A confirmation message pops up, and when you click Confirm, you are redirected to the Vehicles list. The associated vehicle now appears in the list. The AI-12 dashcam is now installed and is ready to transmit data, so you can view live video from the vehicle, detect risky driving incidents, identify drivers' distractions, and other features. To learn more, we invite you to visit our support website,